Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install these libraries today. So let's begin. First we'll open CMD by going to the start menu. It's a command prompt, right? So yeah, now we have opened it. Now we are going to install Breeze Connect library uh, using pip. So let's copy this command and paste here. Pip install Breeze Connect. Yeah, so it has installed the libraries. Uh, then we'll install Excel Wings. Pip install Excel Wings. Yeah, now next is PyOTP. Install PyOTP. It has been installed. Then copy and paste here to install pandas. Installed. This shows requirement already satisfied because I've already installed these libraries. So yeah, that is. And then pip install requests. Pip install request control C control V. And then pip install TA. Yeah, so now all the libraries have been installed. So thank you.